LG Electronics has not been having a gala time in the smartphone business, as the company's past few flagship smartphones have not worked well in most global markets. Ever since reports surfaced hinting a change in strategy by the South Korean giant, rumors of the next flagship phone, which has been expected to be called the LG G7, have been puzzling users online. A new leak now claims to offer the first look at LG's upcoming smartphone that was previously codenamed Judy, reported by reputed source Evan Blass, aka at Fleaks. This leaked phone appears to have an iPhone X-esque notch, a 6-inch full-screen display, and a vertical dual rear camera setup. In a report on Thursday, YnetNews posted exclusive images of what is allegedly LG's upcoming flagship. These images were reportedly taken from LG's booth at the ongoing MWC 2018. Due to launch in June, the phone seems to have appeared 3 months before the official unveiling. According to the report, this LG phone will sport a 6-inch OLED display with a resolution of 1440x3120 pixels, an aspect ratio of 19.5:9, and 900 ppi. The photos also reveal a notch on top of the smartphone, much like the one we have seen on the iPhone X and, recently, the Asus ZenFone 5 variants. The notch is said to house the front-facing 8-megapixel selfie camera with a wide-angle lens. The back of the LG G7 is expected to feature two 16-megapixel sensors in a vertical setup. These sensors are said to have f/1.6 aperture with an optical stabilizer. Additionally, the images show a fingerprint sensor below the rear camera. Talking about the phone's specifications, the report claims LG's next flagship will feature the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 SoC, 4GB/6GB RAM, 64GB/128GB inbuilt storage, and a 3000 mAh battery. Even audio quality might see an improvement with LG's DTS X and boombox sound technology that are said to amplify volume when the phone is kept on specific kinds of surfaces. And, lastly, in terms of software, the LG G7 might include Google Assistant and several other AI-based features.